Hello everybody, it's Sam here and I'm excited to share with you my Christmas Papercraft Society box. So this is the fourth box that I've designed for the Papercraft Society. I love doing these, it's so much fun. This one's a Christmas theme. This is box number 37. So if you're a subscriber of the Papercraft Society, then you will already, have this one coming to you next. However, it is open for subscription now, so if you would like to get this box, then you can subscribe for it and that will be sent to you. These subscription offers allow you to purchase one box. You can subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, and you can also do yearly, and occasionally they do go to open stock. So if you just want to wait and hold off, then if there's stock left, then they do pop that on the website. So there's plenty of opportunities for you to be able to get hold of this one. Like I said, it's a Christmas one. It's got some really fun characters in this one. There's just a few of them on the front there. And as always, whatever's on the box and the colours that it's decorated in is an indication of the theme and the colours inside. So first of all, as always, we will look at the envelope. So you get an envelope of goodies and you also get more in the tissue paper. And then I've got this bit here that I wrote: a skiing penguin, parachuting snowman, and a Santa flying his plane. You heard me right. This is a funny box of treats. Enjoy, Sam. And you can see there you've got that lovely stripe detail all on the inside. So I keep all of my own boxes. Otherwise, I use these for packaging to post to other people and stuff. But I do have these, displayed around the top of my craft room. So first of all, this one here, again, really nice design on the front. So the focus on this one is spinner cards and symmetrical stamped images. So first of all, I'll show you the dies and the coordinating stamps here. So this circle die here is to create your apertures, but it's in the style of Christmas lights. So these are the wires all twisted, and then you've got your lights here and you've got tree decorations if you want to add those on there as well. Now you can turn this whole piece into a decoration and you can have it hanging in the card, or you can even make tree decorations. And there's the little kind of ring there and the hook that you can use. You've got a Merry Christmas sentiment with the outline die. You've got some stars, you've got some snowflakes there and here, and then you've got 3 outlines for 3 of the characters, and these are symmetrical dies, so you can just put them back to back and you can create more than just spinner cards. There's lots of other things that you can do with them as well. And then these are the stamps. So we've got a really cute angel, we've got this very funny little kind of elf or just little girl with a Christmas tree outfit on, so her dress there is a Christmas tree and she's got some baubles in her hands. You've then got Rudolph, or the reindeer, here with his ice skates. He's got his little winter earmuffs on there and some Christmas baubles in his antlers. Then we've got Father Christmas in his plane, so something a bit different. And he's got his presents and Christmas tree in the back there. We've got the snowman here with his parachute. And then we've got the skiing penguin. And then the sentiments you've got, well, hey, it's Christmas time. There's no one like you. It's that crazy time of year again. Sprinkling a little magic and I'm back. And then you've got some other little stars here. You've got this lovely little kind of sprig with the holly leaves and berries. I think that's everything on the stamp set. So I tried to cram in as much as possible on that set there. And these will all fit within the aperture there. But you can also use them on their own and in other ways as well, which I'll show some of the samples in the booklet towards the end. So that's the stamp and die set. I also then wanted some stencils. So at Christmas time, I do a lot of silhouette stamping. I just love creating scenes. So I've got my own stencil here of 3 size baubles. And the idea is that the largest bauble, you can add these characters and you can create these little mini scenes within the Christmas baubles. So you've got the 3 sizes there, so you can have a little character's head popping out or something, and I'll be sharing some fun ways to use this stencil when I do my demos and share tutorials using this kit. And then you've just got some more of the stars and the snowflakes there as well. You've then got this one here, which is all of your tangled Christmas lights. This looks lovely using your texture pastes, but great just using your inks and stencils and just using it as a stencil for a background. But again, I'm going to show you some nice ways to use that one. And then you've got your papers here and some toppers. So we've got this one here, which has all different festive sayings, and you've got your snowman and Father Christmas there, but you've got joy, fa la 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 la, gingerbread, presents, just all your different Christmas icons. You've then got the stripe here, which is my favourite. Absolutely love this one. So just nice, bright colours for Christmas. You've then got this one here, which has your Father Christmas and the parachuting snowman and the skiing penguin. You've then got some more Christmas lights here. Love this one. And then you've got your topper sheet here. So you have 3 of them. So you've got gold foiling. So if you don't want to do any colouring, then you've got your snowman there. You've got your little fairy or angel. And you've got Father Christmas. And then you've got the saying again where, hey, it's Christmas time, I'm back, and there's snow one like you. And then you can see better that flourish there, how it looks when it's coloured. And then on the inside here, I've got Who Said Santa Only Had a Sleigh? Forget traditional, let's have some fun and watch them spin and make you smile. And anything you make using any of the Papercraft Society kits, you can share your makes and use the hashtag Papercraft Society on whatever social channel it is, so that the guys at Craft Stash can see all of the wonderful makes that people are making with the kits. Okay, and then inside your envelope, you've got your clear thread here. So it's like a fishing line. You see there? And that's going to be invisible on your cards, so that when you're, whatever it is you have spinning, you won't be able to see it. And it's very, very thin, so it's not going to add any bulk to your cards. So you get a little envelope with that in. You get a envelope of sequins. I haven't even opened my one. I've got ones from when I made the samples. So let's open this one up. So you've got a mix here of colours, and these are completely flat. So they're not the raised sequins, they're little discs. So you can pop the thin thread through the centres of them, but also they're going to add a lot less bulk to the cards. So if you're doing a little shaker or just using them as embellishments, they're completely flat. And then you've got the brown pegs here. So you can heat emboss these, so use your gold, silver or any colour embossing powders, but also you can use your alcohol markers on them as well to colour them. So you've got those in the other envelope. Then you've got your coordinating cardstock. So this one here, you've got a sheet of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, hot pink, baby pink, more of a purpley pink actually, and then black. So these are most of the colours in the striped pattern paper. And then you've got 2 sheets of the glitter paper here, and this is a non-shed silver, nice and smooth, but you've got a lovely shine to it there. And then you've got your inspiration booklets. There's a load of really lovely samples in here. I'm not going to show them all. So some people like to have a complete surprise and they don't even watch these unboxing videos. But just to give you an idea on how some of the images look stamped and the cards that you can create, I'll just show you a few. So these are 3 samples that I made for the magazine. And this one is a great example of how the aperture die, so the twisted Christmas lights and all of the bulbs look together. And I've got the spinning penguin there in the middle, and that's a gatefold card that I've made. I've also got this one here, which is a 5x7 spinner. We've got Rudolph there, and then we've got Father Christmas in this box style spinner card. And you can see where I've just ever so slightly inked the twisted lights stencil there to create some interest on the front. But I just thought that's a really good example of how that looks when you build up all of the different coloured Christmas lights. You can download more festive toppers and papers as well, and the download information is in the booklet. And then this is another example of where I've used those toppers and I've created this little easel sliding drawer. So this all pops up, and then you've got the little drawer that slides out the bottom there. So it's a really nice way to gift a gift card or just to pop a small gift in at Christmas time. Make nice little table favours as well, and I give you all of the steps to make that, but just so you can see the toppers there and how you can put those all together. And there's a lovely little shaker card here that Glynis has made. She's stamped the penguins there and she's turned this into that shaker window, and you can see how that die looks without the little Christmas lights on it. You can just have it as a decorative frame, and that lovely striped paper there as well. So I'm not going to share any more. I'll keep the rest as a surprise for you. But that's everything in my Christmas box number 37 from the Papercraft Society. I hope those of you that are already subscribed look forward to and will enjoy this one. And like I said, if you do just maybe want to purchase as a one-off, you can subscribe and then you can just cancel the subscription. And also, if you just want to hold out and wait, then there possibly will be some open stock available as well. I will share all of that information in the description box below, so you can just go and check out the prices and look at all those options that are available. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon with more tutorials, and I will be doing a Facebook Live craft along using this kit, and I'll also be sharing lots more tutorials using it. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.